Hi, children. Welcome, all of you. Once again, I am back with our last segment of Human Relations, Unit 3, Human Relations, Unit 3, and what is my name? Children, I'm going to share today what are the concepts meant for your board examination. The government has decided to reduce your syllabus except this unit, human relations. Rest of all the units I'm telling you, section C ignored and unit 4 completely ignored. That is film and theater, that is not at all there. I'll share it, don't worry. And now we are going to discuss what is my name. Children, all of us in our previous two segments, that is the journey and once upon a time, the discussions were between father and son. Today, all the girls, this is women empowerment related to. Because it's a pure Telugu story, all of you written by Srimati P. Satyavati garu. Okay. She is originally an English lecturer who has a great understanding of Telugu accent and the idiom of the respective regions. This is originally What is My Name, the story published as Illu Alakagane Pandagaguna. Illu Alakagane Pandagaguna. Hey, Hindi students, Illu Alukuta means, what do you know? Every evening and morning, what you will do outside the main gate? I mean, you in the sense of the servant maids. They will sprinkle the water and put the rangoli, no? That is called Illu Alukuta or mopping. What we say, what you do internally in the house and externally outside the house. So why? How do we use in our Telugu? No, Illu Alakagane Pandagavuna means in olden days they used to do with the cow dung and buffalo dung outside that sprinkling of the water. Even today in villages it's going on. But if you do like that, it shows that some festival is there or some ritual or some occasion is going to happen in that particular house. Like that, this idiom used to be used in Telugu. So that is the title of this story here. And this story was almost translated in all the languages of India. Of course, in English too. Okay, it was translated by Vadarev Vijayalakshmi Garu and Rangarao Garu. And it is a beautiful story, Nana. What is my name? This is the story of mothers. Imagine mother forgot. Very simple, and in one video we can finish it. Imagine mothers forgot their name. Sir, how is it possible, sir? Story, no, don't think logically. In this story, the main character, mother, that young lady, she forgot her name. She got married to a wonderful person, Mr. Satyanarayana Murthy, the manager of a pharmaceutical company, own house, two beautiful children, everything is good. And how she started her life? Very happily, like a ordinary middle class family girl. Happily, she got married, and the moment, the very first day, her husband gave the bunch of keys and told that you are the Graha Lakshmi, the Lakshmi of my house. Means total Pattana, what we say. Here I'm using some Telugu words also, you can enjoy. Pattana means domination on the house. Complete, you are only Prime Minister of the house, what we say. Then she felt very proud when husband said like that, and oh my God, mopping, cleaning, scribbling, scrubbing, whatnot, all the household works, washing, cleansing, everything. That is only it became her life. Making children ready, making husband ready for office. That's it. There is no other go. So one day, when she was putting rangoli outside the house, suddenly the opposite house name she saw. On that board, one woman's name is there. That name was very so pop. You can see Mrs. M. Sohasini, MA PhD, Principal, X college, some college name is there. Then she thought, oh, correct. So she is a working woman. What about my name? She was thinking, suddenly she forgot her name. That is the twist in the story. You may think, what, sir? Anybody will forget, sir. She forgot. What made her forget? The total household work, morning 5 o'clock to 9 to 10 o'clock, like a machine, what she has been doing, that made her like that. She forgot her name. And she ran inside and asked first husband. Husband, Emoy, she said. What is this Emoy, Gimoy? In Telugu culture, generally husbands call like that only. Or they don't call the wives with names. Emoy, Gimoy, Are, Bujji, Rara. Today means all urgent day. Hey, water, this, all these things will come. Or somewhat, today we can say, Ose, Ore also they are calling. Oh, thank God. I think we are not like that. So this is situation. She asked her husband. Husband forgot. Children. They said, your name, Amma? Amma. They said, oh, re, Amma kadara, you tell my name, re. Even then they didn't say. They too forgot. She became mad. Some women came that time. Because in that street all are together, no? They came to invite her to Kumkum ceremony. This is the problem actually. Telugu story translation ante we don't have certain English words for Telugu names. Chegodi, what we say? Jantikulu, Paravano. For all these things there are no English words. Kumkum ceremony they wrote. Ante in Telugu parent. Somebody came. Parent telusa meeku? I think you know. Particularly girls and boys also. They'll put the kumkum. ఏమండి మా ఇంటికి పేరెంట్ అని రండి ప్లీజ్ కమ్ దే సే లైక్ దట్ ఈస్ ద థింగ్. And she, with shy, she asked one woman, is there, ఏమండి come on, okay, I will come. Would you please remind my name? మీరు పేరేంటి మాకు తెలుసండి, how do we know? You are the wife of that tall man who is the manager in a pharmaceutical company. That's all we know. Chi. Yeah, they too don't know. She felt very unhappy. Children forgot the name. Husband forgot the name. Even the people who are in the neighborhood, they too don't know. They just identify her as the wife of so and so. She felt very unhappy. Immediately she got an idea. She first went and searched in her wardrobe. Children, I think you know what is a wardrobe. What you can do in the wardrobe? She thought the certificates are there. Her certificates. No single certificate was available. Instead, all her things are there. Amma, all her things mean that is described in the textbook. You can read them. I need not tell in this video. What else you could expect from a housewife's wardrobe? Sorry, I don't like that word housewife. Homemaker's wardrobe, your mother's wardrobe. All the things, what mother wears, puts, novelties, everything. That was all described. You can read. Now she became mad. She told her husband, hello, I'm going to my house. What suddenly? Without anything. No, I'm going to take care of the house. Hurry, without you, how can you do? How can I do? How can you look after the children? Don't know, go to hell. But just I'm going. Going? Hurry! No, she didn't look at him. She went directly to her parents' house. The moment she reached parents, retired parents, no, they felt very happy looking at, Ema, Navoli, you are coming, where is Aludu Garu? Where is our son-in-law? No, only I have come alone. Children? No way, children also. Arre, why re? What happened? Amma, Nana, you tell one thing. Tell me what is my name. Your name? You are a very good girl, our elder girl, and you studied very well. And we got you married with one nice gentleman. We gave this much dowry also, 30,000 or something, 50,000. We gave him some dowry. And your husband is a very well settled person. And you begot 2 children. All these things they are saying. But they didn't tell the name. Amma, did I ask you all these things? How much dowry you gave? 50,000 dowry you gave? Or you got me married to somebody else? And you gave education to me till BA, Bachelor of Arts. Did I ask her? Tell my name. Name? Oh. See, sir, how fun it is. Both father and mother forgot. Then she went up, attic. Where are my certificates? She said. Amma, other day we were just rearranging the house, Amma, doing up the house, what we say. Doing up, we say in English. Doing up ante saddukoda. So we are doing up the house and all your certificates and all we kept on the attic. Attic ante telusu kada? Ataka, what we say. Attic. 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 Ataka. See how beautifully the word has come. The small room under the roof. Then there was a small ladder. She went up and she wanted to search, but she couldn't find. She came down. Desperately she went out. Amma, where are you going? Wait, you come and have lunch. Okay, she had lunch, no problem. But she went out. Because it is a place where she studied. Her hometown. There is a river, small lake is there, small temple is there, trees are there. Everybody shouting. Everybody asking, what is my name? What is my name? What is my name? Like the woman who got crazy. Everybody said, we don't know, ma, you are the daughter of so-and-so master, or you are the wife of so like that only telling, but nobody is telling her name. And she became mad. She was tired. Suddenly, from behind, she heard somebody calling her, Sharda! Hey, Sharda! That's it. Immediately she turned. How it was, no? And somebody comes in the hot sun, summer season. You went home, take a glass of water in the pot. Which pot? Earthenware, not refrigerator. Those days, no, no. You take one glass of water from the pot and drink. How wonderful it will be. Appa, ఎంత హాయిగా ఉందో. We say like that. Like that she felt. Then immediately before her eyes, who called? Her friend. Hey, Premila, is it you? Hey, what a Sharda, what you became like this? Where were you? Huh? All these years you were not at all there. What you became like that? Then she said, what is my name you call me? Sharda. Once again you call her Sharda. Arey, I forgot my name. And say, stupid girl, how can you forget your name? What can you do? Morning to night, work, 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 work. That's all only. Household work, nothing else. I became like a Ontinti Kundelu, what we say in Telugu. Ontinti Kundelu means completely confined to household. That's it. Ayyo, Sharada, only you became like this. We are all friends together, you know. We are working and we are meeting. You are the only girl completely dedicated to the household. Because of that only you became like this stupid. ఏంటి నువ్వు యు ఆర్ శారద యు ఆర్ టాపర్ యు ఆర్ ద లీడర్ ఆఫ్ ద స్కూల్ యు ఆర్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఎట్ మ్యూజిక్ యు గాట్ ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ ఇన్ సింగింగ్ యు ఆర్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ వాట్ నాట్ రా బేబు హౌ యూ బికేమ్ లైక్ దిస్ Oh, really, really? Thank you very much, Premila. Really, you brought the life, no? You have raised my spirits, really. Thank you so much. And she kissed her because friend only, no problem, no. And she ran to the house. Which house? Not her house. Parents' house first she ran. Again, she went up. Attic. Parents didn't understand what happened to her. And she went up and she searched all the things. Luckily, she found her file. The file full of certificates, photos, and the arts which she drew, everything. She felt very happy. And he said, Amma, Nana, I'm going. Are Amma, what? You're going right now? No, don't stop, please. I'm going. That's all. That's it. She very fast ran to. By the time she went, no, one day over, no, next day this all happened. Morning she went, how was the house? Just completely. The house became upset. Mr. Satyanarayan Murthy, the great husband of Sharada, okay, he was moving earth and heaven to take care of the children. Children were making him mad. Then she entered, Amma, you have come? Okay, they, in our Tilsa, don't say Amma, I have a name. Then again, he came, Eva, what's over? Go, please, Mr. Murthy, don't say Emo Gima today onwards. My name is Sharda. Abbo, Abbolo Dibbolo, you call me Sharda, that's all. And she was very proud that she got back her name. And immediately she did up the house. Naturally, no, because if the house is very neat and clean, the total credit goes to mother only. Within minutes, within hours, she everything, the sofa, that place, the chair, the bed sheet, everything, she made everything ready. And she asked the children to come. She sat on the sofa and called the children, both of them. Arey, Pelilu, come near me. I will show you some photos. Hey, photos, which photo? See, how? Arey, Amma, how small you are. That is my school photo, right? See, my certificates, you see. And you see my painting. I got first place in singing, you see. The children were very proud to see that their mother was very talented. Huh? Very talented. And she felt very, 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 very happy that she got back her name, Sharada. So, this is a happy ending. Nothing is there in this. But children, this story was written how the woman, the young woman, once they got married, she got married, no? She enters the in-laws house, how her total talent is completely lost. That was shown here. So we need to empower the woman. That is the main story. Relations are most important. Not simply calling Yamoy, Guimoy, Ete, Ose, Ore, not like that. We have to respect women. That is how this story, What is My Name, was beautifully written by Srimati P. Satyavati garu. Hope you enjoyed the story, children. And don't forget the name of your mothers. Most important. Without mother, we are not there. Okay? Without women, even the world is not there. Okay, hats off to every woman. Even you are the young woman now. Everybody who is listening to this video, watching this video, right, Nana? Yatra naryasta pujyante ramante tatra devataha. Bye. See you.